श्रीमती वंदना मैडम, श्रीमती बिंदु पिल्लई मैडम, सभी शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आप सभी को 80वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है, कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह तिरंगा, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की शान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह तिरंगा, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की शान का है। इस गौरवशाली पर्व की सबसे पवित्र बेला आ गई है। हमारी आदरणीय उप प्रधानाचार्य महोदया श्रीमती मीनी मैडम जी ने ध्वज फहराकर इस समारोह का शुभारंभ कर दिया है।
To begin with this auspicious day, I invite Daksh Satish Shibari of Class 5th A to share a few words on this significant occasion and express his thoughts on the spirit of our nation's independence. Daksh.
Freedom. Freedom is not just a right we enjoy, it is also a responsibility we must protect. वतन की मिट्टी से बढ़कर कोई दौलत नहीं, तिरंगे से बढ़कर कोई शान नहीं। वीरों ने दी कुर्बानी इस आज़ादी के लिए, उस आज़ादी से बढ़कर कोई पहचान नहीं। Dear respected Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends, good morning everyone. Today, on this proud occasion, on Independence Day, I feel honored to stand before you to speak about the country we all love, India. On 15th August, India is celebrating Independence Day with great pride and enthusiasm. On 15th August 2026, India is celebrating its 80th Independence Day, marking 79 complete years of freedom against the British rule. But my dear friends, freedom does not come easily. आज़ादी हमें मिली नहीं है, उसे पाने के लिए कुर्बानियाँ दी गई। The organized freedom struggle in India began with the historic revolt in 1857, which started on 10th May 1857. Mangal Pandey played an important early role, and uprising brought many citizens and soldiers against the British rule. Later, the freedom movement became stronger. The Indian National Congress was founded, giving the Indians a larger platform to demand their rights. Countless brave freedom fighters sacrificed their life for our motherland. Many great leaders like Rani Lakshmibai, Mangal Pandey, Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel inspired millions of Indians to fight against the British rule. But their today was to make our tomorrow. Their courage teaches us one important lesson. If you want to see a better India tomorrow, you have to become a better citizen today. My dear friends, freedom is not just a gift, it is also a responsibility. आज़ादी का असली अर्थ है अपने देश के लिए सही काम करना। Today we may not have to fight on battlefields, but we have our own battles to fight. We should fight against pollution, dishonesty, hatred, and ignorance. As students, we can serve our nation by studying sincerely, respecting our parents and teachers, being honest, and being a responsible citizen. Let us remember, small changes can make a big difference in our nation. So let us promise to be the kind of citizen our freedom fighters dreamed of. Let us make our India a clean place, a better place, and a strong place. So whenever we see our Tiranga flying high, let us remember the sacrifices behind it and say with pride, this is my India, this is my pride, and I will do my part to make my India proud. I would like to end my speech with Lal Bahadur Shastri's quote, the preservation of freedom is not the task of soldiers alone, the whole nation should be strong. So let us keep this promise in our heart and celebrate the spirit of freedom and honor the sacrifices of our brave people. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
For those thoughtful and inspiring words, your message beautifully reminded us of the true spirit of Independence Day. Freedom is not just a privilege, it is a responsibility to build a better nation. As we celebrate the spirit of freedom and patriotism today, let us carry this spirit forward through the words of our young citizens. I now invite Shaurya Chavan of class 7B to come forward and share a few words on the significance of this special occasion.
सजा है हिंदुस्तान, तिरंगे की शान से ऊंचा है हिंदुस्तान, आजादी की नौ से रोशन है हिंदुस्तान, हर दिल की धड़कन में बसता है हिंदुस्तान। सुप्रभात सभी को। आदरणीय उप प्रधानाचार्य जी, सम्माननीय शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे साथियों, मेरा नाम शौर्य चौहान है और मैं कक्षा 7वीं में पढ़ती हूँ। आप सभी को हमारे 80वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज का दिन केवल इतिहास की एक तारीख ही नहीं, बल्कि यह वह दिन है जो हमें याद दिलाता है कि आजादी हमें उपहार में नहीं मिली, इसे अनगिनत संघर्षों और बलिदानों के बाद पाया गया है। जब हम खुले आसमान के नीचे सांस लेते हैं, अपने विचार व्यक्त करते हैं और अपने सपने पूरे करने की ओर बढ़ते हैं, तो हमें उन वीरों को याद करना चाहिए जिन्होंने अपने आज को हमारे कल के लिए समर्पित कर दिया। उनका सपना केवल स्वतंत्र भारत देखना ही नहीं था, लेकिन एकजुट और प्रगतिशील भारत देखना भी था। और उस सपने को आगे बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी आज हमारी ही है। लेकिन साथियों, एक सवाल है, क्या देशभक्ति केवल झंडा फहराने और नारे लगाने तक ही सीमित है? नहीं, सच्ची देशभक्ति तब है जब हम ईमानदारी से पढ़े, अपने देश की संपत्ति की रक्षा करें, प्रकृति का सम्मान करें, दूसरों की मदद करें और अपने अधिकारों के साथ साथ अपने कर्तव्यों को भी समझें। हमें हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए कि देश को महान बनाने का काम केवल सीमा पर खड़े सैनिक ही नहीं करते, लेकिन देश का हर नागरिक अपने छोटे छोटे अच्छे कर्मों से करता है। इसीलिए आज हम यह संकल्प लेते हैं कि आज से हम केवल अपने लिए ही नहीं, लेकिन हमारे देश के बेहतर भविष्य के लिए भी मेहनत करेंगे। और अंत में मैं कहना चाहूंगी, तिरंगा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, हर दिल में देश का मान रहे, हम जहां भी जाए दुनिया में भारत की पहचान रहे। जय हिंद।
Your words really capture the essence of freedom and patriotism and gave a message to instill these feelings as a true Indian.
गगन में झुके धरती भी गाए जब भारत माँ का तिरंगा लहराए। गगन में झुके धरती भी गाए जब भारत माँ का तिरंगा लहराए। जी हाँ दोस्तों, गीत ही वो जरिया है जो दिल से दिल को जोड़ता है। अब हमारे माध्यमिक कक्षा के विद्यार्थी कलाकार अपनी प्रस्तुति के जरिए देशभक्ति का जज्बा जगाने एक सुंदर देशभक्ति गीत प्रस्तुत करने आ रहे हैं। लाजवाब, बहुत ही मधुर और ऊर्जावान प्रस्तुति, दिल खुश हो गया। धन्यवाद।
Freedom gives us the wings to fly. Responsibility teaches us how to fly. To reflect on this special day, I now invite Ishika Lamali of Class 9B to come forward and address the gathering.
आदरणीय प्राचार्य, कार्यक्रमात उपस्थित पाहुणे, शिक्षकवृंद आणि माझ्या प्रिय मित्र-मैत्रिणी सर्वांना, मी इशिका नांगे, इयत्ता 9वी वर्षीय विद्यार्थिनी तुमच्या समोर आजच्या या दिनानिमित्त 2 शब्द बोलणार आहे. ते कृपया शांतपणे ऐकून घ्या अशी विनंती करते. 15 ऑगस्ट हा प्रत्येक भारतीयासाठी अत्यंत आनंदाचा व अभिमानाचा दिवस. 15 ऑगस्ट 1947 रोजी आपल्या भारताला ब्रिटिशांच्या गुलामगिरीतून स्वातंत्र्यता मिळाली. ही स्वातंत्र्यता आपल्याला सहज मिळालेली नाही. असंख्य स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकांनी यासाठी त्याग, संघर्ष व बलिदान केले. महात्मा गांधी, सुभाषचंद्र बोस, लोकमान्य टिळक, सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल व भगतसिंग अशा अज्ञात स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकांच्या बलिदानामुळे आपण आपल्या देशात मोकळ्यापणे श्वास घेता. मित्रांनो, स्वातंत्र्य म्हणजे केवळ परकीय सत्तेपासून मुक्त होणे नव्हे, देशाची प्रगती करणे, संविधानाचा आदर करणे, देशाच्या एकतेचे रक्षण करणे हेच देखील आपले कर्तव्य आहे. आजचे विद्यार्थी हेच उद्याच्या भारताचे भविष्य व नागरिक आहेत. म्हणून आपण मन लावून शिक्षण घेतले पाहिजे, शिस्त पाळली पाहिजे व पर्यावरणाचे रक्षण केले पाहिजे आणि जात, धर्म, भाषा यापेक्षा एक भारतीय म्हणून एकामेकांचे आदर केले पाहिजे. चला तर या स्वातंत्र्य दिवसाच्या निमित्ताने आपण असा संकल्प करूया की आपण आपल्या देशाला अधिक सुंदर, स्वच्छ, सक्षम व प्रगत बनवण्यासाठी सदैव उभे राहू. शेवटी एवढंच म्हणेन, तिरंगा माझा श्वास आहे, भारत माझा विश्वास आहे. देशासाठी सदैव उभे राहू, हीच माझी आस आहे, हीच माझी आस आहे. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Ishika. Your words carry me into our celebration and reminded us of the values that make our nation strong. Now coming to the next sequence of the program, it is now my privilege to invite our guest of honor, Mrs. Vandana Gandhi ma'am, to address the gathering and share her wisdom, a few words of wisdom with us. So ma'am, we are eagerly waiting to hear from you.
Thank you, Rita. Respected Vice Principal Vinny Rani, my learned colleagues present here, and beloved children. A very good morning to all of you, and a very happy Independence Day. So today, as we stand here to celebrate the glorious 80 years of independence, my heart is filled with many feelings and many emotions, which I would like to share here. The first feeling which came to my mind, and rather all of us, is the feeling of pride. When we saw the hoisting of national flag, I know many of you, because of rain, could not witness, but I tell you, I always get the goosebumps when I see my Tiranga flying high in the skies. So this is a feeling of pride for all of us. Pride because we are a free nation. And with this feeling comes the next emotion, that is the thoughts which come to our mind. How we got this freedom? You can see the pictures of many freedom fighters here. These are the great people who made sacrifices, who showed the courage, who had the determination and the hard work of these people. And not only these, there are thousands and thousands of unsung heroes whose hard work brought this day to us. We got the freedom on platter. We are thankful. So the feeling which comes to our mind is the feeling of respect. Our hearts are filled with gratitude. Gratitude towards these people. And we go on ahead in respect to all of these. Because of them, we are standing here with pride. And when we think about these leaders, another thought comes to our mind. We got this freedom not easily. It came with a high cost. Cost of sacrifice. Dear children, as we celebrate the Independence Day, we have to think, we have to reflect the freedom which we got, which was given to us by them after a lot of hard work, after a lot of sacrifice. It is our duty now not only to keep our country free, but to take us towards the path of progress and development. So as many of the speakers before me told, Shaurya and Daksh, that freedom is not the only dream of our leaders. They also dreamed of an India which is developed, which is progressive. So when we reflect, do you think we have fulfilled the needs of all these leaders? When we see the progress in the last 29 years, yes, with my head held high, I can say India stands tall among all the nations. We have made progress in various fields, whether it is science or technology, medical, or infrastructural development, or sports or cinema. We have made lots of progress. But are we satisfied with whatever we have done? Of course not. Here, we are reminded of the lines of a very famous poet, Robert Frost. Woods are lovely, dark and green. And who tells us listeners might have read this. Woods are lovely, dark and green. But I have promises to keep. Miles to go before I sleep. Miles to go before I sleep. We have done a lot, but we have to do lot more, students. So, dear students, today is not the day to remember the past, to celebrate. It is also a day to reflect that we have lot to do. And when I think about this progress and development, about the future, I see the future sitting in front of me. I can see somewhere Abdul Kalam sitting there. I can see somewhere Homi Bhabha sitting among you. Maybe a Virat Kohli. Here in the girls I can see the future Shreya Ghoshal. So you are the future of this country, and you must make, I think before the two students have reminded you, do you remember the promises? शपथ लेने को उन्होंने बोला आपको. So आज यहाँ पर बैठकर हमें क्या promise करना है? So what are the promises we have to make? Be knowledgeable students. Be compassionate and disciplined. Develop a spirit of inquiry. Respect diversity. Care for your environment. So, on this Independence Day, let us take a pledge to work even hard and build a stronger, a cleaner India, an India which is self-reliant. Jai Hind.
Your message has truly enriched our Independence Day celebration and left us with valuable thoughts to carry forward the spirit of a true India. Thank you so much, ma'am.
मैंने ढूंढा बहुत वो जहां न मिला, मैंने ढूंढा बहुत वो जहां न मिला, मेरे वतन जैसी न ज़मीं न कहीं आसमां मिला, मेरे वतन जैसी ज़मीं न कहीं आसमां मिला। अब समय है हमारे विद्यालय के स्तंभ आदरणीय उप प्रधानाचार्य महोदया श्रीमती मिनी मैडम जी के आशीर्वचन का। मैडम कृपया अपने मार्गदर्शन से हमें प्रेरणा।
Learned teachers and my beloved students, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Say Happy Independence Day. Still you are independent, no? Yes or no? That is why you are not feeling independent. Okay. Today, as we celebrate the 80th Independence Day of our great nation, India, we proudly remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Their courage, determination, and love for the country gifted us the freedom that we enjoy today. As we stand here in Mumbai, Maharashtra, let us remember some of the great leaders and freedom fighters who inspired the nation with their courage, vision, and patriotism. We proudly remember Lokmanya Gangadhar Tilak, who awakened the spirit of nationalism with the powerful slogan, Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. We also remember Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, who dedicated his life to the freedom movement despite facing years of imprisonment. We pay our heartfelt tribute to Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, who led India through the path of truth and non-violence. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, whose vision helped shape modern India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chief architect of Indian Constitution and a champion of equality and social justice. Subhash Chandra Bose, who inspired millions with his courage and leadership. Bhagat Singh, whose sacrifice became a symbol of patriotism. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who united the nation. And Rani Lakshmi Bai, who fought fearlessly for freedom. Over the last 8 decades, India has made remarkable progress in our field, from agriculture to technology, from education to healthcare, and from scientific research to space exploration. Our nation has shown the world what determination and hard work can achieve. On this special day, I would like to share a beautiful story. A grandfather was writing with a pencil while his grandson was watching it. The boy asked, "Grandpa, why do you always use a pencil instead of pen?" The grandfather smiled and replied, "Because a pencil teaches 5 important lessons. First, a pencil can do great things. Am I correct? But it needs someone to guide it. Similarly, we always need guidance from our parents, teachers, and mentors. Secondly, a pencil must be sharpened from time to time. The sharpening process is very painful, but it makes the pencil better. In the same way, the difficulties and challenges that we face throughout the day is making us become stronger day by day. Third, a pencil always has an eraser. Am I correct? We are using eraser whenever you are using a pencil. It teaches us that making mistakes is a part of our life, but correcting them is equally important. We should be never ashamed of making mistakes. Instead, we should accept them, learn from them, and move forward. Fourth, what matters most importantly is not the wooden covering of the pencil, but the graphite inside. Likewise, our character is most important, not the outside appearance. Finally, a pencil always leaves a mark. Everything we do in life leaves an impression on others. My dear students, our freedom fighters also left their mark on history. Today, it is our responsibility to leave behind a legacy of honesty, discipline, compassion, and service. Remember, the future of India is in your hands. The dream you nurture, the value you uphold, and the choices you make will determine the future of our country. India is one of the youngest nations in the world, and its greatest strength is its youth. The responsibility of building the India of tomorrow rests on your shoulders. The next scientist, teacher, doctor, engineer, sportsperson, or national leaders may be standing among us today. You do not have to wait until you become an adult to serve the nation. You can start today by respecting your teachers, helping your classmates, protecting the environment, and becoming a responsible citizen. Remember, every good action, no matter how small it is, makes a difference. On this Independence Day, let us promise ourselves that we will not only enjoy the freedom given to us by our freedom fighters, but also protect it through our actions. Let us work hard and build an India that is stronger, cleaner, more compassionate, more innovative, and more united. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
मैडम, आपके विचारों ने हम सबको नई ऊर्जा दी। आपका मार्गदर्शन हमारे लिए हमेशा प्रेरणादायक बनेगा। आपको तहे दिल से धन्यवाद। गूंज रहा है दुनिया में हिंदुस्तान का नारा, गूंज रहा है हिंदुस्तान में दुनिया में हिंदुस्तान का नारा, चमक रहा है आसमान में तिरंगा हमारा, चमक रहा है आसमान में तिरंगा हमारा। अंत में मेरी यादों के साथ लिखा भी जरूरी है। जी हाँ, चिट्ठियां बिल्कुल वितरण के साथ के लिए सभी विद्यार्थियों से लिखती है कि वे अनुशासन बनाए रखें और शिक्षकों के साथ संबंध होता है। आप सभी की उपस्थिति और सहयोग के लिए धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय